GOCLEAN Cleaning Machine 9.0. Pellet Dry Ice Machine. Installation process of Pellet Dry Ice Machine. Now we are ready to connect 3mm Pellet Dry Ice Cleaning System. We will call it B for short. Step 1. Connect the air pipe of machine B to the air compressor, but don't turn on the air compressor. Step 2. Connect air inlet of the machine B. Step 3. Connect the dry ice blasting pipe and power line with machine B. Step 4. Finally, connect the ice pipe, power line, and spray gun together. Step 5. Connect the cable wire of machine. Operation steps of Pellet Dry Ice Machine. Before machine operation, please wear the mask, the gloves, and the anti-noise headphones. Hereby we are going to show you 3mm Pellet Dry Ice Cleaning System operation. Now we can get power of the machine by spinning the emergency on/stop button. After the screen light on, please press enter the system button to open the operation interface. Finally press on off button to start the machine. First, open the B opening hood and put the dry ice into the conical funnel storage. Second, please adjust the suitable dry ice blasting degree. Third, you need to open the air compressor machine. Now everything is ready. You can use B blasting gun to clean.